I may have gotten a little bit carried away. It is a challenge, however. Hello, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today is reveal day. A little over a week ago, I invited you guys all to come and do a challenge with me, a DIY cake stand challenge of all thrifted items. So it was DIY thrifted cake stand challenge. And I said everything had to be thrifted in this cake stand and nothing could come from the Dollar Tree because I know my dollar stores all have Dollar Tree items there, so I wanted you to stay away from those. So I went out thrifting, even though I probably didn't have to pick up a few pieces to see what I could come up with. That was a little different than what I normally do. So today I'm revealing to you what I picked up and show you what I did with them. And I invited a whole bunch of other wonderful YouTubers out there and they did the same thing. I've created a playlist. It's down below. So make sure you go by and check out all of their challenges and show them some love. But first, let me show you the reason why I want to do this. Here is the cake stand that I made and showed in a video not too long ago. That was the QVC-like collaboration with Sharon from Sharon She's So Fabulous and Zane from At Home with Zane. And so many people said that they love this cake stand that's made out of a candlestick and a plate. A crystal candlestick and a plate. And so I figured if I challenge people, maybe they can find something just as nice to do because this probably cost me just under $5. If you know me and you've been on my channel, every time I thrift half off day and I pay as little as I possibly can for the pieces. So let me show you some of the things that we're going to be using. First, I already showed you guys this crystal candlestick. It's full lead crystal. I think I got it for like $2 at the Salvation Army. I'm not sure exactly where it came from, but it's in one of my videos. You can go back and look if you want to my thrift hauls. So we're going to try this. Then I also picked up this one. This one still has a price tag on it. I got this one at my local thrift store and it was $2.99 half off. And look at how big and pretty that is. So we're going to try that. Then I ended up, and I have to bend down, sorry, to get a couple of these items because there's so much sitting here. I showed you guys this one. This came from Grace Centers of Hope, and it was $2.99. And I either paid $2.99 or 25% off of this because I know me and my sister didn't make it there for 50% off day. So, yeah, look at how pretty that is. I have one like this that's kind of gold already, and I was surprised that I could find a second one just like this. So we might use that. Then I have to reach down to get this. Grace Centers of Hope again. Ready? Ah, look how gorgeous that plate is. I'm sure it's just glass, and I'm sure it's a serving platter, but it also looks like a flower like the one that I already made. And I fell in love with this. I just picked this up like yesterday because I was like, oh, let's see what they have in there. Yeah, so we have that. Then, yes, two more. I know, it's ridiculous. I ended up finding this. My very first piece of milk glass. Gorgeous. It was regularly $4.99, half off. And so I fell in love with the little scallop edge all the way around. But what did it for me was, boom, this. Can you see it? I hope you can see it. The lighting's so bad. Look at that beautiful design. I don't know what the pattern is. If you know, let me know down below. I don't collect milk glass. My sister does, and she's out of town right now. So I am trying to figure out what this is on my own, and I'm sure she'll tell me when she comes back. I picked this up. So I like this side. We're going to see what we can do with that. And if you have a milk glass top, you need a milk glass base. So I tried real hard to find one to go with it. And normally my thrift stores always have milk glass. Of course not today. They didn't want to. So I ended up with this one. It's kind of small. But I also ended up with, ooh, sorry, catching my hair. This one. It's bigger. So we'll see. I probably am not going to get to make what I wanted to out of it, but I'm going to one of these days. So if I don't use this one, I'm definitely going to come back with you guys with a cake plate out of that milk glass. And then finally, last, I know, one more. It's crazy. I did a lot. I have to put this down. Ooh, I don't want to break anything. Finally, I ended up getting this. It's a ceramic vase, and it has a little foot on it. I don't know if I want to use it this way or this way. We'll figure it out. It is damaged, but I think I'm going to paint it. Still too cold here to spray paint. I'm freezing in my sweater. But I think I'm going to hand brush on it like white over the black, and that might be really pretty. And what I got to go with it is this. And this has a surprise. And I'm going to show you the surprise because I know I'm going to use this for sure. And you can tell me what you think. So let's get started. So first we're going to start out with the bigger candlestick that's clear. And we are going to place this beautiful plate on it. Look at how lovely that is. That is just a stunning piece in itself. I, however, love the bottom of it so much that I was thinking maybe we turn it over. It still fits on there perfectly, and you have a different kind of display. It sparkles even more than it did the other way, and it will completely hold in its little groove a Bath and Body Works candle. And here we have option number 2. We're going to start with the crystal candlestick. I know I got that at Salvation Army. And then we're going to use our gorgeous plate from Grace Centers of Hope, $1.99. And hello, come on. I am so excited. So perfect. So stunning. Looks like it cost a ton of money. I'm sure even if you went to Home Goods, you're gonna spend like $30 on this, and $1.99 for the top and probably $2 for the bottom. It's $4 for a cake plate of this statue. I love it. I love it. I love it. I will be gluing this together. I will be using this for a centerpiece for my table. I love it. Option number 3, let's start with the milk glass smaller bud vase, and then here is that beautiful milk glass tray with the scallop edge. It can go like this. Nah, you know I want to put it like this. Oh my goodness, this piece, look at that. It's gorgeous. So here it is on the bigger vase, and I have to say, this is really, really pretty too. It kind of reminds me of like something that would be in a fairy garden, like a mushroom kind of like top cake plate. I don't know. I really like it too. Now I think I still want to get a different base because the patterns don't match, but I don't know. In a pinch, it will work if I had something set up with milk glass on my table. So yeah, not gluing this together either. I'm just gonna leave it as 2 pieces, and I'll use it however I want to, whenever I want. So here is how the last piece turned out, and I have to say I'm really liking it. I ended up using a metallic paint, and on some of it I brushed it on, and some of it I stippled it on with a sponge. So it is kind of like a brushed nickel look to it, but then I thought it looked too plain, so I blinged out the edge with a whole bunch of rhinestones, and the middle is extra shiny because it is still kind of drying. It is winter still here, and so I couldn't really spray paint, but I painted, and it is still taking quite a bit to dry because I put it in the garage because of the fumes. Anyway, the secret to this one is I found a Lazy Susan, and I decided to make a Lazy Susan cake stand, and I am really happy with it. It fit perfectly on that vase, and the 2 pieces together, if I would have painted it all white and then like sanded it, could have been kind of shabby chic or farmhouse, but I decided to try to bling it up just a little bit. I may put a little thin mirror on the top of it to make it even more bling. I'm not sure yet. But that is it for this DIY thrifted cake stand challenge. I want to thank everyone who participated in it. I will have a playlist, a link down below, and you can add your own video to the playlist. If you have trouble with that, you can contact me and I will add it for you. I want to thank everyone else for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you're not a member here at Lacee Space yet, I don't know why not. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Become a member. We have a lot of fun here. Hang out with us. Also, I'd like to remind you that there's a giveaway going on my channel. I will link that video down below so you can go over there and check it out. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way it's spelled here, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.